Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As you can see, it is power supply of 9.3 volt, and it is a simple circuit of shadow sensor. Here we can see this, the green one is the LED, and there two transistors have been used, and here is the LDR LED sensors. So when the shadow falls on the sensors, the LED glows. As you can see, LED is now on. When we remove the shadow, LED is now off. It's a simple shadow sensor circuit in which we used, as you can see, here is the shadow in which we have used two transistors and about 3 resistors and one LDR. This one is the LDR. The circuit diagram is shown in the computer. You can see here's a circuit diagram. Now we will simulate it. For example, now it's simulation. Here is the LDR. When we change the value of the LDR, here LED glows. When the LED falls on the LDR, the LED becomes off. So this is circuit diagram simulation. You can see these two are the transistors. They are attached in this way. As you can see, this is the LED, and these two are the resistors, and this is the variable resistor. Adjust the range of shadow. The shadow range can be adjusted by using the variable resistor. 9 volt is the power supply, and this one is the LDR, LED dependent resistance, LED dependent resistor. Thank you for watching this video.